Hello everyone. So if you want to check your IP address of your Android phone, follow the simple steps. So if you want to check an IP address of your mobile network, first of all, make sure to turn off your Wi-Fi. Now let's open up our settings. Let's locate our About Phone tab. After that, we're gonna scroll down and tap on our detailed info and specs. Now let's locate our status. And here we will locate our IP address. There we are. Now let's check our Wi-Fi address. So turn back on your Wi-Fi. You can do this either through your quick settings or through your classic settings. Open up your settings, press Wi-Fi. Now tap on this arrow icon near our network name, and here you will locate your IP address. There you are. And the second variant, I believe it's less precise, however, it's working with VPNs and everything else, is to use some service. So let's open up our Google and let's search for Find My IP. Find My IP. There we are. Now tap on the first link. What is my IP address? And simply, there we are. Now we've got our IP address. Press agree. And basically, that is it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.